Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I also have a Lululemon unboxing, and I have a new handbag reveal. Yes, all that and then some. So if you want to see what all I have today, stick around. All right, you guys, I'm going to start out with an exciting brand new handbag reveal. Yes. Okay. Now you guys remember this bag, and I had so many questions about it. I did address it on my last video, but I will also put up the information on the screen, the name of the seller. These are TikTok bags. So this is the large, the 22-inch, and this is the 18. I love it, you guys. I love the 18. I didn't know if I would, and I think it was like 50 bucks, but I love it. And it's my handbag of the next few days. But I do prefer the larger, but I also like the little small cutie little itty bitty baby bag. It's so pretty, so pretty. I love the orange. Orange is my favorite color. It's got the feet just like the other one. Again, let me hold them up side by side. And I'm putting the seller's name on the screen. I love these bags, you guys. I'm obsessed. Would I still like to have an Hermes Picotin? Well, I keep trying to say no, why should I when I have these, but I might go there one day, you guys. I won't lie. I may not. Who knows? But if I don't, I'm okay, because I absolutely love these bags. They're that raw leather on the inside. And you can see I have all my stuff in there. And I just keep it like that and then pull it down. And this is a great little size bag. And it's even good for every day. I thought it might be too small, but it really isn't. It's a great size because these bucket bags, they hold a lot. And I'm really excited to have it. You guys, I might have another one coming. The scandal. You guys, so scandalous. But hey, I think I paid about 70 something dollars, maybe 80 bucks for this one. 50 for this one. My gosh, you guys, at these prices, I can have every freaking color. But you guys, I'm obsessed with these little bucket bags, totally obsessed. And I think I'm going to get maybe an Hermes twilly to put on it. I'm not really a big twilly person, not on the handles, but just like to hang off. Maybe a rodeo, but just kind of jazz it up, you know, with something authentic. But you guys, they don't really need it. They're just so pretty. I can't tell you how much I love them. So I wanted to share that with you. The next thing I think we're gonna do is do the Lululemon unbagging. Before we jump into the Lululemon unbagging, I just wanna say, honestly, how much better can an Hermes Picotin be? How much better? I wish I had one to compare it to, because I have no clue. But I know that these bags, the stitching on these bags, the raw cowhide on the inside, these bags are luxurious. They're luxury to me. Right now, I'm just absolutely loving these bags. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, now we're gonna jump into the Lululemon unbagging. Now, I saw this and I said, I have to have it. I am a huge fan of Lululemon. I love their leggings, their shorts. I love their little bras, everything. I love their little bum bags. So I got a bum bag. I'm gonna take it out of this bag and show you the one that I got. This is a newer one, a newer style. And I got it because I don't have anything in this pattern, okay? I have nothing in this pattern. My entire luxury handbag collection, I have no cheetah print, and I love cheetah print. And when I saw this, I said, I have got to have that cheetah print. This one's different. from the other bum bag that I have. I actually have two. I have a black one and I have a clear one that I use like if I go to concerts and stuff, like a stadium bag. But I love this one. It looks like a camera bag. You can wear it, you know, across your chest. You can wear it as a regular bum bag. And it's the 2XL size. That's my favorite size. Well, it says one size. Okay, whatever. But it does have the adjustable strap here. So I can wear it around my waist. But more than likely, I will wear it across my chest. I can wear it just as a shoulder bag. I love a good bum bag. And I especially love leopard, and this was about, I think, $78. So it's like it wasn't expensive at all. So it has this front zipper here. Very roomy, and it also has like little pockets in there. I'm gonna link all this stuff for you guys. And then you have the main body of the bag, and it also has like mesh pockets and a large zipper pocket. You can put your card holder in there, or a small wallet if you wanted to. That's where I like to put mine. And then on the back, of course, you've got the back pocket, and this is my iPhone 15. And let's see if it fits in there. It's gonna be snug, but it will go in there. Okay, so yeah, let me pull it out. It's a little snug because this case is kind of big, but it will go in there. So that's good, because I'll definitely put my phone in this back pocket. So that's very useful. I'm going to try it on and show you what it looks like on me. All right, guys, here it is. So I just have on these little overall shorts. This is so cute. I can make it come up higher or lower. I kind of like mine to sit lower, and I can even make it lower than this if I want to. I am 5 foot, somewhere between 5'2" and 5'3", and more petite than I used to be. But this is what it looks like on my frame, and it says one size, but it's kind of like the same, almost the same as the 2XL size. So this is what it looks like. Super cute, super casual. I'm really excited because I've never had, well, no, I had a leopard print bum bag one time that, I forgot the name of the brand. But anyway, I did have one, but it was that calf hair, and I don't like that. But this is just nylon, you guys. So you can wear it out in the rain. It's just a super cute little bag, cute little carry. And you can wear it as a shoulder bag if you want, or like I said, a regular bum bag style. But I'll probably always wear mine across the chest because that's what I love. And I'm pretty excited about this little $78 bag. You guys, what's gotten into me? $78, maybe 80 bucks, 50 bucks. The self-proclaimed bag snob is no more, okay? I'm like Dawn, I just love all bags, but no, that's a lie. I don't love all bags. There's certain brands I just don't like. Like, I don't care for, in the contemporary realm, I don't care for Kate Spade, Michael Kors. I don't care for those bags. I don't care for Dolce & Gabbana. The only Valentino bags I like are the rock stud bags. I mean, there's a lot of bags that I just really don't care for, or brands rather. But I enjoy having these little fun bags. That's what I call them. So even if I use them a year or two, and this is something I will definitely hang on to, and my bucket bags aren't going anywhere, you guys. I might just have to get a real one day, which they are real. They're real bucket bags to compare them. But what I'm saying is, bags like this, it's just a grab and go, a fun bag, great for travel. I used my other Lululemon, just the black one, when we were in Italy, and it was a perfect travel bag. So I love Lululemon, and when I saw this leopard, I was like, grab it, girl. And I think it's the bomb. I really do. I love it. All right, you guys, I got something from the Murakami collection, from the Cherries collection. It wasn't FOMO, because none of that stuff, for me personally, appealed to me. The only thing that I did like, well, I like the blossom, the cherry blossom pretty good, but not really enough for a bag. I was wanting the twilly, and I would love to have the Speedy, the Cherry Speedy. Now you can get the Neverfull online. I noticed it's online, but I don't really want that. To me, that might be too many cherries, but I would love to have the Speedy, and Becca said I'm first on her list, so if she comes across one, I'm gonna go there, okay? But the Cherries collection is for me. I love it, and I did score something, so Becca had messaged me and said she had this. Did I want it? I said absolutely. I also had the opportunity to get a Cherries bum bag, and you guys, remember I had the Azure one and I sent it back because it was just too small. It was wonky. It was wonky, but I felt like it was too small for me. And then after that, I came this close to telling Becca, yeah, I'll take that too. But then I thought, what am I doing? I'm getting caught up because there's cherries on it. I actually used a little bit of sense about me. And yeah, my sensibilities kind of kicked in, and I said, I guess I'll just have to pass on that. I said, but if you do get a Speedy, you know I want it. So yeah, it was kind of hard to turn that down, I won't lie, because it was so adorable. Okay, so I did get this, and I'm excited. I guess I'm a part of the Murakami's club now. I got a bag. I got a bag. Oh my gosh! I didn't say anything to her about it. This is getting framed. This is getting framed, you guys, when I get back from the beach. We're leaving for the beach Sunday. We're having a girls trip. Me and my daughter, my sister, my cousin, and her daughter. Becca! Oh my gosh! Becca. I love it. Look at the little smiling, happy cherries. Okay, so this is gonna get framed. I just got my Christmas one framed and back, and it's up here on this wall. So I have several framed, and at some point I will film all my bags. When I get this framed, I'll film all the ones I have framed. Okay, I'm getting excited. When I get this back, when I get it framed, I will film all the ones that are framed and show you the ones that I have. So I really wasn't expecting this. This is an awesome surprise, Becca. All right, so here is my item, wrapped up ever so beautifully by Becca. The best SA, the best Louis Vuitton sales associate in the entire planet. She knows how I feel about her. Okay, so here it is. You guys probably can guess what it is. Got me some sample perfumes. She told me the ones she put in there, and they're good ones. So I got the elves, because I think I'm gonna buy this perfume. I love it. Symphony. I have a Symphony, but I need this for my purse. And then Cosmic Cloud. Love that one. Thank you, Becca. All right, so here's my box. Let's go ahead and pull the tissue paper back. And I think you guys can already figure out what it is that I got. I got the little twilly. Oh my gosh. Now, I might tie it on my bag, like I said, not on handles, but that would be really pretty on this one. Wouldn't it be pretty? I really wanted them for my hair. You guys, I had quite a few twillies, and I went crazy and sold them all, and I don't regret it. The only one I regret is I had that Game On collection twilly, and I'm thinking, why did I sell that? Because I don't know why, you guys, but anyway, I did. But oh my goodness, I love this. I love it so much. So I'm gonna wear mine in my hair. Now, Becca, if you come across a cherry blossom, I'm your girl, okay? I would love to have the cherry blossom as well. But this is really the only thing in the collection that I really wanted, other than the Speedy, because I'm a total Speedies girl. I think I want to add more Speedies to my collection. They're just the best bag, you guys. And also these bucket bags too. But anyway, I love it. It feels so good, so soft, silky. Well, it's silk, duh. But yeah, I'm a part of the club. I have officially joined the Louis Vuitton Murakami Club. But I'm telling you, I'm just as happy about this because I didn't even think about packaging. I didn't think anything at all about it. So this is exciting. And this is definitely going to get framed when I get back from the beach next week at some point. Oh, I love it. And I love the fact that it has silver writing on it, because some of the ones I have in here, no, they're all gold. So this is so pretty. This makes me really happy. Thank you, Becca, for the bag. All right, you guys, that is all I really have to show today, and I think it's a good bit. I think it's some really good stuff. I absolutely love these bags. I'm going to do a full review on these. I need to do a full review on these and show you what fits. Everything fits in this one, and a lot of stuff fits in this one too. I have another one coming, so I'm going to wait till it gets here. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Obsessed, and that's how I do. When I find something I love, I have to have multiple colors. I go all in, and there's nothing wrong with that, you guys, because you know what? We only live once, and if we find little pretties along the way that makes us happy, makes us smile, then I say go for it. I just felt like treating myself. I thought, why not? Why not? And that's what I want to tell you guys. No matter what it is, if it's something that you want, a material item, if you want to go somewhere, if you want to eat at a fancy restaurant and you think, oh no, but that might cost us $200. You know what? Sometimes you just have to bite the bullet, do it, do what makes you happy, because life can throw us some curveballs. And it's thrown me a curveball, several curveballs in the last 3 years. So I thought, why not? I hope that you do what makes you happy. I hope that you find something that sparks joy in your life, no matter what it is. I say go ahead and do it. It's not going to hurt anybody. It's just going to make you happy. So that's all I have for you today. I love you guys oh so much. Please subscribe. Even though there's something wonky going on with my channel, I still want to grow. I still want to get to 7,000. My ultimate goal has always been 10,000, and maybe, just maybe, one of these days I might get there. All right, guys, so I'll see you very, very soon. Peace.